Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy during quarantine. Today we will be trying out the Anastasia brow pen. This is a brand new product from the Anastasia Brow God. I absolutely love all their brow products, and I was so excited that a product like this came out. This brow pen is basically kind of like an eyeliner for your eyebrows, except we are throwing the Instagram eyebrow, like what I have on now, out the window, and we are moving on to the more natural look. I feel like that has kind of been the whole makeup vibe of 2020, stuck in quarantine. We're going for the El Natural look when we're out with our mask on. So I currently have on the Anastasia Brow Wiz because I ran out of my other favorite product, which is the Ardell Stroke Brow. It's very, very similar to the Anastasia Brow Pen, so I'm really excited that a product like this has come out from one of my favorite brands. The only issue that I have with this Ardell Stroke Brow is that it's really hard to find. I can't get it except for at Sally Hansen Beauty, and it runs out really quickly. So I'm hoping that I don't run into the same issues as the Anastasia Brow Pen. So we will go ahead and try this out together today. I do have really light eyebrows, so that way it matches my hair. So today I bought the colors Soft Brown and Caramel. I'm not sure if this is available in store yet, but I paid for fast shipping so we can try it out together, and I will let you know my honest thoughts. I fill in my eyebrows every single day, so I want to make sure that I am using something that looks super natural, not fake, not the Instagram brow anymore. So let's go ahead and try it out together. Also, this video is not sponsored. Sorry, I'm not that cool. So I will let you know exactly how I feel about this product, yay or nay. And also feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe at the bottom and let me know what content you guys would like to see next. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so first and foremost, the brow pen is described by Anastasia Beverly Hills as a super fine tip detailing pen that creates natural looking brow hairs. That sounds amazing to me. I got it exactly from Anastasia Beverly Hills for $22. It comes in a lot of different colors, if you can see that, and it was shipped super quick. The brow pen easily builds dimension and micro stroking in areas that you want more fullness. So let's go ahead and let me just show you the packaging. Super sleek and beautiful. The only thing that I can think of is, just because, for example, I bought two colors, I wish the color was on the top, similar to the Ardell Stroke Brow, is I'm able to easily see which one's lighter, which one's darker. So that's the only thing that might get confusing if you're in between different eyebrow colors. Obviously you'll know by reading it, but when I do my makeup, I like rush and just don't really look, so that might be a little bit confusing. Other than that, I think the packaging is absolutely beautiful. We'll go ahead and shake it, and I want to go ahead and show you on my hand. This is in Soft Brown. I use this color on my eyebrows already, so super nice. So as you can see already, it looks like it's going to be a good color. You can kind of make thin and really thick lines there for easily building dimension. And this is the brow pen in Caramel, which also works for me too. And it's gonna be this one right here at the bottom. So they look very similar, but as you can see, this one has more of a red, and this is definitely more of a brown. I do have a lot of red in my hair, so we'll definitely go ahead and try out both. Hi guys, so I zoomed you in and I removed one eyebrow, so that way I don't look kind of crazy right now, but we'll be fine. And I'm gonna go ahead and use the brow pen in the color Soft Brown. I feel like this color would be a lot more useful towards everyone else because not everyone has red in their hair. Also, please ignore my pimples. They're saying hello for the video because it's upset. My face is very upset that I got a facial. So yeah, okay, so I just went ahead and shook it, and oh, hopefully you can see this. And I'm just going to create hair-like strokes. I feel like it's gonna be it feels kind of weird at first because it's so liquidy, but I'm sure as it dries it will get easier. Okay, so already Wow, that's looking bomb. And don't forget, we will be using concealer, so any mistakes that we make will be super easy. And I'm just creating strokes like this to create hair-like strokes. Okay, so already I can see after just applying and blending in the product that it's really easy to use, and any sort of mistake that I made, it was fast enough for me to just wipe it off or just blend it enough to where you can't see it. I went ahead and lightened it just a little bit to match my foundation, and just using my foundation sponge right over it. And you can kind of already see the difference that this brow looks so much more natural looking, especially in the inner corner rather than the Instagram brow. So far I'm really liking it. So let's go ahead and try the other color on this brow. Okay, and as you can see, this natural brow is a mess as well, so awesome for using the brow pen. So let's go ahead and try it out. This brow I will be using caramel. This brow is soft brown. Okay guys, so I just got done with the other eyebrow in the color caramel. This was just as beautiful as the other one. As you can see, this eyebrow is a lot more red than this one. It kind of just depends how my hair is feeling, so I definitely will be using both of these colors. And as I mentioned before, that you can use your sponge and just kind of go over the eyebrow itself, and it will kind of change the color of it a little bit to where it's not as harsh. And then definitely be sure to use your spoolie. As you can see, this eyebrow looks so bomb, and I don't even have eyebrow gel on it, and it looks so natural in person. Maybe on the camera it might look a little fake. I don't even have concealer on the bottom here yet, but oh my gosh, like in person from far away it looks super bomb and super natural. So I'm really excited to be using this product. Alright guys, so I just got done and put on the Anastasia brow gel, and the product looks absolutely amazing. Here are my brows up close. This is the color in caramel. Super natural. You can really see the strokes that I created, and also my natural eyebrow hairs, which I don't have much, and it's not the best shape, but this product really helped give me that perfect brow technique that I will be using moving forward. And this is in soft brown, a little bit darker, not so red. So obviously from afar I will be using the same color on my eyebrows, but for today I just wanted to show you guys the two different colors that I used. I would give this product a 10 out of 10 with a disclaimer of, just because I already use a product like this, is when you are closing the cap, just be really careful to not just shove it back in there, because you will mess up the fine point. So just other than that, I would give this product a 10 out of 10. I will definitely be using this moving forward. I love this product already. I can't wait to make my eyebrows look bomb every day. Anyway, thank you guys again so much for watching. It was a pleasure having you, and if you buy this product, let me know what you guys think, and I hope it works out for you. Feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the comments. Bye!